Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrzinski with your Week 11 Screencast video. As I say here, welcome back from spring break. The lack of activity that I experienced in email and in Blackboard means that everybody took the week off. I hope everyone had a great time and was able to get some rest because we do have a busy week as we're making the run to the end of the semester. So, sorry, sip of coffee there. Be sure to watch this week's screencast video, as all our videos from here on out. It is important as the assignments and discussion boards become a little bit more complex. So as I say here, we do have a busy week. There are 2 discussion board posts, and the double entry journal is due by Sunday. So let's take a look at the discussion boards first for the week. I've rotated the discussion boards down. So if you're looking for previous discussion boards, you have to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Now, exercise 4.1 is an interesting activity. You may want to take the time to read that in the textbook. The dialogue with Dave that Ballinger uses often in his textbooks is an interesting conversation to have with yourself and ultimately everybody in the discussion board. So it's really a straightforward post. You want to make a couple of columns. You could probably do that real easy. Excuse me. Hit the Google Docs here. Let me get a blank document up. All you want to do is click insert a table here. Just do a 2x2, simple little table. Here you can write on one side Dave, on the other side you, okay? And then you can just turn around and write the questions here. Let's say get to the board, Dave left side. Let's see if I can do a good old-fashioned copy and paste here. Here we go, Control C. Open up the document here, Control V. Yeah, it gives you an idea to put the questions in here. You can always go and eliminate this. This is Dave, you, and then you can write your answers here. As you move through, you can space this out on that particular activity. Oops, that's there. Okay, so you get the picture here about how to draw this up. All you have to do is copy and paste this activity into the discussion board post here. So it's kind of straightforward. The design and structure here for the exercise 4.1 is we're making that transition from working with sources, finding sources. Obviously, I'll get back to the double entry journal in a second, but I really want everyone to be aware of now we have to start transitioning from finding sources, summarizing, paraphrasing, quoting, and working with our source material and the double entry into thinking about how is this all going to come together in the research essay. So let me get over to the course unit just to give everybody an idea of where we're going. Remember, chapter 4 is all about the research essay draft. You're going to want to review the readings and activities in this important unit. Okay, here's introducing the first draft. I will post this week's lecture video about the first draft and the research essay draft, so you're going to want to make sure to watch that. Now, once again, to the course units, chapter 3, remember the double entry journal is due on Sunday. You have the instructions here. It's really straightforward. There is an example here in the unit, how to go about that. I've uploaded a template. Right, I've uploaded the template so you can look at the example in Drive here. Double entry journal folder as always, and here's the template where you just make a copy and rename it before working in it. What will happen is that you can preserve the template for everybody else in the course. So it's really straightforward. All right, so that's due on Sunday. So I want to make sure everybody is aware of that. I may touch on that in the lecture video or post an instructional video later in the week. All right, so this is our activity here for the week. Discussion boards 13 and 14. The dialogue with Dave I've just discussed, exercise 4.2 by Friday. responses in the double entry journal on Sunday, end of day. If you've done your annotated bibliography, you can grab your quotes, paraphrases, and summaries from those sources. You need 5 sources, as demonstrated in the example, 3 excerpts from each source. So that's a total of 15 posts in your double entry journal, and upload it to the Drive folder. All right, that should get you started from your week back. If you have any questions, send me an email, and good luck.